This is the new ISC Mini Spring Block. This is a slick setup. It's light enough that it can easily be staged on your harness, ready to go. I got a Loopie spliced up for it, but everybody that's familiar with the spring blocks, it's the same action with the pinned bolt here. Nice radius, thin bolt. It'll accept a 1/2 inch 10x sling, no problem. The overall tensile strength on this is 85 kilonewtons, pretty burly. It's got nice strong axles in it. Working load limit of 17 kilonewtons. That makes this a real effective satellite block for us, and also a small block for taking out tops and small negative blocking pieces. What I've got mine set up with is, just the normal Loopie. Now an option that we have is we'll splice a screamer onto your Loopie. Benefit of that is, if you don't need the screamer, it'll just be out of your way. So there it's rigged in just the traditional configuration, so we got our mini block and our 1/2 inch Loopie sling there. We're ready to install a rope and rock. You can see here the screamer's not being utilized, so it's out of the way. It's because they're a one-time use thing. The reason I splice them onto the Loopie sling will become apparent, because the eyes aren't large enough on these to fit onto an arborist block. So one remedy for that is you can take a soft Dyneema shackle. This one's rated to 15,000 pounds. And if I decided for whatever reason that I needed to integrate the screamer into the system, so now the screamer's in play, you just adjust your soft shackle, open it, pass the soft shackle through the eye of the screamer. Lock the soft shackle. You just do that by simply milking the adjustable eye down to the diamond knot. So now we've got our block rigged with the load limiting device on it. And we're well within our working load limits. So the screamer here, will start to activate at 2 kilonewtons, and it'll reduce 8 kilonewtons of peak force. So it'll be a really key implement in a dead tree, marginal tops. Where I really used to use these a lot was inexperienced ground guys. Getting the new guy trained how to operate the Porter Wrap or the GRCS in the hole, and it was actually an effective training aid, because they could tell by detonating this, maybe they could have let it run a little bit more. Okay, so that's the new ISC Mini Spring Block, super slick, and then the traditional Loopie sling with the screamer spliced on there, available at WesSpur Tree Equipment.